Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most loved holiday decorations, Christmas swords. They bring warm color and festive cheer to your home. Whether you hang them on your front door, over the fireplace or on a wall, words instantly create that magical Christmas feeling. In this video, we will explore some beautiful and creative word ideas that are easy to make and perfect for the 2025 holiday season. Let's start with a timeless favorite, the classic green wreath made with fresh pine or artificial greenery. It's simple but elegant. You can decorate it with red berries, pine cones, and a big red bow. This traditional design gives a cozy, welcoming look that never goes out of style. Add a few fairy lights to make it sparkle at night. It looks amazing on your front door. If you love a winter wonderland theme, go for a snowy white wreath. Use white or frosted greenery, silver ornaments, and soft white ribbon. You can even spray a little fake snow for that frosty touch. It looks beautiful indoor and add a calm magical vibe to your home decor. Next, let's talk about the rustic words, perfect for those who love natural and earthy styles. Use materials like burlap, wonder ornaments, or dried oranges or sticks. These little touches bring warmth and a cozy frame house feel to your home. It's simple, charming, and smells amazing too. If you want something more stylish and trendy, try a modern glam wreath. Think gold, silver, and metallic accents, maybe add some white feathers or glitter ornaments. You can use a circular metal base for a sleek, minimal look. It's elegant, shiny, and perfect for modern interiors. You can use things like ribbon in your favorite colors, small photo ornaments, or even teeny gift boxes. Get creative. This is a fun activity to do with family or kids during the holidays. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.